Psalm chapter 23 verse 4. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil. For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. The phrase darkest valley symbolizes periods of life that are non-threatening or overwhelming. These are moments when the path ahead seems unclear, decisions feel heavy, or danger feels. In modern life, this could reflect anything from health crisis, financial instability, loss of a loved one's career, uncertainty, or spiritual struggles. By acknowledging the existence of these valleys, this validates the fear and anxiety that naturally accompany uncertainty. Life is not always predictable or safe, and it is normal to feel apprehensive when walking through unknown terrain. Despite the darkness and danger of the valley states, I will fear no evil. This courage does not come from personal strength or understanding. It comes from the awareness of God's presence. God's nearness is the source of confidence and uncertainty. When we face unknown circumstances, it is easy to be paralyzed by fear or worry. However, this verse teaches that trust in God transforms fear into courage, allowing us to move forward even when we cannot see the outcome. This is not saying that danger is absent, but that God's presence is more powerful than any threat. The tools of a shepherd, the rod, and staff are mentioned as sources of comfort. Understanding their significance depends on the meaning of the verse. Together, they convey that God is not only present with us, but actively protecting and guiding us. Even when we cannot see the next step, His presence and care provide a sense of security and direction. Psalm chapter 23 verse 4 offers profound lesson for dealing with uncertainty. Walking to a dark valley is part of the human experience. Recognizing our fear is the first step of confronting it. Confidence in God's presence allows us to face uncertainty without being paralyzed by worry. God provides tools, wisdom, spiritual strength, and guidance to navigate life safely. Even in moments of hardship, God's presence provides peace that transcends understanding. In practical terms, this verse encourages believers to rely on God when facing unknown challenges. Through prayer, meditation, scripture, and trusting that God's plan is greater than our immediate understanding. In modern life, uncertainty comes in many forms: career instability, health challenges, global crises, relational difficulties, or personal doubts. Psalm chapter 23 verse 4 reminds us that fear does not have to dominate our response. Even when the future isn't clear, we are not alone. God actively guides, protects, and comforts us in difficult times. Walking through life's darkest valleys becomes a journey of faith rather than a source of paralyzing anxiety. The verse assures us that God's presence transforms the unknown from something frightening into something manageable and even meaningful.